Dear students, welcome to your physics class. Today we are learning how to protect ourselves from the effect of earthquake. Last classes we were discussing what is earthquake, how it is happened, then which region in India mainly earthquake can happen. There we learned that there are certain region or certain area is a seismic zone. There earthquake can be happened. Then people those living this area should aware about this earthquake and how to protect ourselves from the effect of earthquake. Most or main problem about earthquake is that it cannot be predicted. Climates can predict within 2-3 days before. Suppose today raining will be taking place 2-3 days back itself. About that we will have a forecast about raining. Like that we cannot forecast about incoming earthquake. It is sudden only. That means earthquake cannot be predicted. Also it is more destructive also than other natural calamities. More destructive. It takes the leaves of and property. Leaves and property. So that's why I told the people those living that region, fault zone or seismic zone or weak zone, they should know how to protect ourselves from the effect of earthquake. First of all, those living, they should construct a house which should be quick safe houses. Safe houses. Quick safe houses. There should be a certain manual or there is a design how to protect our building from effect of earthquake. So quick safe houses they should construct. These people, those living that region, they should consult a good architect or a engineer, one who constructs such houses, and they should avoid heavy concrete materials for roof and use mud or timber houses. Mud or timber. Timber most good timber lightweight only. So timber can be as material. Mud also we can use. Then other concrete heavy materials. Such a way roof should be constructed and roofs made as light as possible. Then dear children, people those living that region, they have to keep the walls, shelves and cupboard should fix on the walls instead of hanging position. Walls, cupboard walls and shelves should be fixed to the walls, so that they can protect themselves when earthquake or shaking take place. Then dear children, there are sometimes earthquake take place, there is a possibility of catching fire. There is a possibility of catching fire. Then fire fighting equipment should be in working order. Fire fighting equipment should be in working order. Such a region, especially in the case of tall buildings. So these are mainly they have to aware about these matters, then only they have to construct the building. About the knowledge will be provided by Indian Building Research Institute, Roorkee. Roorkee Indian Building Research Institute, Roorkee. This Building Research Institute, Roorkee, will give awareness about how to construct a building. So, Roorkee, there is a Building Research Institute. They will provide knowledge which way want to construct the house, which design should follow. About that all they will provide knowledge. Then we have to do some things, and if we are in home and out, about that we will learn next. If you are at home, what are the things you have to do? If you are at home, take shelter under table. Take shelter under table if earthquake take place. Then then also if you are in a bed, you can cover your face with a pillow. If you are at home, cover your head with the pillow so that you can protect your body. So stay under table. Stay under table, then cover the head with the pillow. Then if we are outside, what are the protections you can take? If you are outside, what you have to do? Suppose you may traveling, then go to a clear spot. Clear spot. There is no much possibility of earthquake to take place. Means it is away from tall buildings and tall trees. Clear spot should be away from tall buildings and tall trees. There you can take a shelter. Then lie down to the ground, drop to the ground. This clear spot should be away from tall buildings, tall trees and power lines, and drop to the ground. Next, if you are driving, suppose you are in a vehicle and driving, first of all you ask to remain there until uttermost stops. So you ask the driver, then go to a clear spot. Ask to driver to drive to a clear spot, which should be away from tall trees, tall buildings and power lines. So this clear spot is very important on that word. That is, clear spot means that area where there is no tall buildings, no tall trees, then no power lines. So these are the matter you have to keep in your memory when earthquake take place. Dear children, read the textbook. Already we completed this part of lesson. So you have to learn question answer from textbook. Thank you, children.